In this video, I'll help you find the best action camera. All products mentioned in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. First up on our list is the Akaso EK7000 4K 30 FPS 20 megabyte action camera, priced at just $69.99. This camera stands out for its 4000 pixels ultra high definition capability at 30 frames per second, providing professional grade video quality. Its 20 megapixel camera captures high resolution photos, ideal for adventurers seeking to document their exploits in the stunning detail. The camera's 170-degree wide-angle lens ensures expansive coverage of landscapes and action scenes. It's equipped with wireless wrist remote control for convenient operation, especially when engaged in activities like biking or surfing. The EK7000 promises extended use with two rechargeable 1050 mAh batteries, each offering up to 90 minutes of recording time. Built-in Wi-Fi and HDMI allow for easy editing and sharing of your adventures. This camera's 98 feet waterproof capability, enhanced by a robust waterproof case, makes it perfect for underwater exploration. Next up, we got the GoPro Hero 12, priced at $349. This is a premium choice for action camera enthusiasts. It boasts a 5.3K at 60 ultra wide high definition video and 27 megapixel photos, delivering unparalleled image quality. HDR capabilities enhance footage in varied lighting conditions, capturing the nuances of both bright and shadowed areas. The Hero 12 Black features the Emmy Award-winning Hyper Smooth 6.0 stabilization, ensuring smooth and stable footage regardless of the action intensity. It's rugged and waterproof up to 33 feet, making it ideal for extreme sports and outdoor adventures. The camera includes various accessories like an Enduro rechargeable battery, adhesive mount, and USB-C cable, providing a comprehensive package for dynamic filming. Next up on our list is the Akaso Brave 7 4K 30 FPS 20 megapixel Wi-Fi action camera, priced at just $169.99. This is an upgraded series offering 4K megapixels at 30 frames per second and 20 megapixel photo resolution. Its standout feature is the IPX8 rating, allowing waterproof use up to 33 feet without a case, suitable for water sports enthusiasts. The camera's dual display design, featuring both a vivid front screen for selfies and a 2-inch back touch screen, enhances user experience. The adjustable view angle, ranging from 170 degrees to 70 degrees, provides flexibility in framing shots. Distortion calibration corrects image distortion, ensuring true-to-life footage. The Brave 7 also supports an external microphone, enhancing audio quality for vlogging. Next, the Akaso Brave 7 LE offers a blend of performance and durability. This camera is waterproof, ideal for filming in various outdoor conditions, and can be used underwater up to 131 feet with the included housing. Its dual display setup provides versatility in framing and monitoring shots. The Brave 7 LE captures 4000 pixels at 30 frames per second video and 20 megapixels photos, delivering high quality content. Electronic Image Stabilization 2.0 ensures smooth footage, vital for action-packed scenes. The camera comes with a set of professional functions and free accessories, including two 1350 mAh batteries, a remote, and mounting kits, making it a comprehensive choice for adventurers. Last but not least is the Akaso Brave 4, priced at $89.99. This is an affordable option for high-quality action filming. It features 4000 pixels at 30 frames per second video and 20 megapixels photos capabilities, capturing every detail of your adventures. The camera offers an adjustable view angle and built-in gyroscope for anti-shaking, ensuring smooth video while in motion. It includes Wi-Fi and HDMI for easy sharing and editing. The Brave 4 is waterproof up to 131 feet with its case, suitable for diving and other water activities. It comes with two batteries, each capable of recording up to 90 minutes, and a comprehensive set of accessories, making it a versatile choice for various outdoor pursuits. So, when choosing the best action camera, it's crucial to consider a variety of factors, including video quality, durability, usability, and value for money. The Akaso EK7000 stands out as a budget-friendly option, offering 4K video resolution and a robust waterproofing, making it ideal for a range of outdoor activities from snorkeling to mountain biking. On the other hand, the GoPro Hero 12 Black represents the pinnacle of action camera technology with its superior image quality, hyper smooth stabilization, and rugged build, albeit at a higher price point. The Akaso Brave series, including the Brave 7 and 7 LE, offers a middle ground with impressive features like dual displays and electronic image stabilization, catering to both extreme sports enthusiasts and vloggers. The Brave 4 is a great entry-level option, providing good video quality and essential features at an affordable price. Overall, each camera brings something unique to the table, whether you're a professional looking for a top-tier recording capabilities or a casual adventurer needing a reliable camera to document your experiences. There's an action camera in this lineup to meet your specific needs. And there you have it, my list of the best action cameras. Don't forget that links to all the products mentioned in this video will be listed in the description. Thank you for watching, till next time.